Hello, this is horizontal flame tester cabin according to PSA D45 standard from HP Plastic Machina. In this test you have the cabin for testing the interiors of the automotive vehicles. You have a U-shaped sample holder made from downside and upper side. You put the specimen between these two U-shaped clamps. You have here a template for the cutting the specimen from your interior materials. You have a tray for dropped melting points. You have a 45-degree mirror according to the standard for better seeing in the cabin. Also you have a flame height stencil for regulating the flame height of the Bunsen burner. Let's see through the cabin. We have a glass door for better seeing, for whole seeing in the cabin. You can see the whole test procedure during the test. The inside dimensions of the cabin is according to the standard. You have a rail here for putting the sample with the standard space from the bottom of the cabin. You have a Bunsen burner with internal diameter of 9.5 millimeters according to a standard. Here we have a gauge for setting the pressure of the gas, a flow meter for setting the flow of the gas that's sent into the Bunsen for burning and for the flame. We have two timers according to the standard. One timer, timer number 1, applies the time of the flame that the specimen should be, the flame time that must be or should be applied to the specimen. Here we have a gas shut-off switch. When this valve was open, the flow of the gas to the burner and to the cabin is open, and when you push on the button, the gas flow will be off. The second timer is for indicating the time after the flame applied to the specimen and for the flow of the combustion into the lens of the specimen. After you set the flame height, like here, the height of the pitch of the flame or the inner cone of the flame must be 38 millimeters according to the standard. After setting the flame and the flame has been stabilized, you put the sample between two clamps and insert the clamp from right side of the cabin. When you put through the sample holder into the cabin, you see here at this side you see it. We have a proxy sensor at the electrical side. When you push through all the way, the timer will be activated, and after counting the time, the flame shuts down, and after that you can use the second timer for seeing the propagation of the combustion into the sample between these 2 points from pin number 1, indicating pin number 1, until indicating pin number 3, and you measure the time that the flame propagates from this pin to this pin, and you see the time of the flowing the flame into the lens of the specimen. You note it and set it to your report. Okay, in the bottom side of the cabin, you see we have standard holes. The size of the holes and the dimension and the locating center of the holes is according to the standard. The space between the ground or the table to the bottom of the cabin is according to the standard. The air vent slot above the cabin, all around the cabin, is according to the standard. That's it. It's easy to use, it's easy to set. Okay, that's all. Be in touch for other products.